All right, guys, I'm back. We got this 100-inch TV. This thing is freaking massive. Seriously, look at the size of it. It's insane. But we added this Govee backlight camera kit. It's actually for a 75, 85 inch. I wanted to try it. They do have a 100-inch setup. It's a dual camera, but it costs twice as much. This was on sale during Black Friday deals, and I just wanted to try it. And actually, look at it, guys. It looks pretty cool. It does work for a fraction of the price. I also got these recessed lights that I'm experimenting with the bulbs, and they had the Dream View. I got some more bulbs here. That's what's so cool about Govee. You can interconnect everything. Look at the lights back here. What? This is so cool, right? So you can see it doesn't come to the very edges of the TV, but it still works. Pretty cool, right? So let's follow along. Oh yeah, look at this. Whoa. So you're probably wondering, what the heck? They're squares. So these little squares is what helps calibrate the lighting on the TV. And that's what we use that for. Honestly, it works pretty cool. Eventually, I will get the proper kit that will bring the lights to the edge of the TV. That's the thing, is it's not catching all the zones because the camera needs the dual one to be able to do this whole span. That's the part that we're missing on that. So, but overall, still pretty cool, right?